Royal family, how is everyone doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, you guys. Hope you're having a great week, and it's almost Friday. But anyway, I'm going to bring to you today a video of glazed carrots with Gorgonzola cheese. I had it at this restaurant, and oh my Lord, when I tell you it was freaking awesome, and I said I'm going to duplicate this recipe. The only difference is they had little baby carrots that I could not find, so instead I'm going to use these carrot sticks. And I bought them at Market Street, and this is carrot sticks. It's 12 ounces. And what I did, I took them out the package, rinsed them off, dried them off really good with a paper towel, okay? And next, you could tell it had a little smoke on it. So I'm gonna use just a little of this hickory liquid smoke. Here is the Gorgonzola cheese. Oh my God, when I tell you, it is so delicious on the glazed carrots. And of course, we're going to use butter. We're going to use sugar. We're going to use parsley. And we're going to use sea salt. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a skillet, and I'm just going to put it on medium-low. And I'm just going to put the carrots in there because I want the carrots to get some brownness, you know, before I do the liquid and glaze them. But I'll come back and show you guys that. Okay, I put them in the pan, and all we're going to do is just flip them once they get brown. I know it's a little crowded, but that's okay. Once they shrivel up a little. But this probably will take maybe 10 minutes because I want some color on them. So just put them in the pan, dry, nothing in the pan, no oil, no anything. And we're going to get some brown color on them. But while these are getting brown, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the liquid. All right, here I have a cup of water. We're going to add the sugar to it. We're going to add the salt, which I am going to say a half of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, put that in there. Next, we're going to add maybe a third teaspoon, ooh please, no tablespoon, of liquid smoke. That's all you need. And we're also going to do, let's say a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Yep, we want that in the liquid. And all we're going to do is just stir it up. Because once the carrots get brown, we're going to pour this over the carrots at a medium high and put a top on them, and in 10 minutes they will be ready. All right, this is the liquid part. All right, don't crowd your pan like I did because you'll get a more nicer brown on your carrots. These really look like sweet potatoes, huh? Sweet potato fries or sweet potato sticks, but they're actually carrot sticks. So what we're going to do now, make sure you stir your water, and also you can taste it. If you feel like you don't have enough sugar in it or enough salt, it's okay to taste it. Now we're going to put this on a medium high because this process right here actually helps cook the carrots. Okay, Ooh, and I can smell the liquid smoke in there. Remember, you guys, on medium high, because we want it to glaze and get really nice and sticky. Next, I'm about to add the butter. We're going to cover this, okay? I'm gonna say maybe a pat of butter. Okay, let's crank this baby up. They should be done in 10 minutes. If not, cook them until they're fork tender. Don't cook them until they fall to pieces, because you still want to grab it as a stick and eat it. All right, I will come back in 10 minutes. Sorry, you guys, do not cover it. Let it, put it on medium high and let the liquid boil out. I'm sorry, we don't want to steam the carrots. We want them to get nice and glazy. So again, do not put a top on them. And try not to stir them if you can. All right. Okay, Royal family. Here is the glazed carrot sticks. They're done. I'm going to change up the recipe just a bit. A cup of water is definitely too much. We need a half a cup of water. And we need a teaspoon of the liquid smoke. But I will have all of that in the description box below. So when I come back, I will show you guys the finished product and presentation of the glazed carrots with Gorgonzola cheese.